Southern California, Clovis, California. We just finished installing this 4-piece tub shower combination. So you got some walls and then the tub itself. It's been in for a little while now, but we came back out to do some other work and we wanted to go ahead and document this. But so this was all opened up when we did this. So it was new construction and everything's mown. I think even the shower head, we gave him a different sprayer for that, but everything behind the walls strapped, and then of course the tub portion, mortar base. It looks like it's been really used since we put it in, but that's what they're for. And anyway, so these are pretty fussy to put in. You got to get them leveled real correctly and get the walls have to be pretty plumb, but they'll go in. And we typically like the 1-piece. They're a little more rigid. They're harder to work with. You gotta get them in, while it's framing. This one here, you can kind of work it around a little bit because the tub's separate, and then you got the walls that go in. So a little more fussy to work with. Also, the single just shower installations, the 1-piece. Those are a little fussy too because drain's going to be right in the middle, but this is a full shower, so tub shower, and the drain we can get to from behind the wall, so that's not a big deal getting that in. Overflow we get to from behind the wall, and then of course during rough, everything you can see in the wall, rough end valve and stub out for the spout, everything. So anyways, we just want to document that we're out here. I know it's not a full shower installation, but this is acrylic. It's just a standard tub that's going in all the homes now. But anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.